Today's vlog, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do our monthly self-care maintenance routine. It's going to include a full body exfoliation, foot detox, and a steak dinner. Let's get started. Self-care isn't just about drinking water and going to sleep early. Self-care is taking a break from overwhelming things and doing something that you deserve just for you. Welcome back, beloveds, to Key Lang, Beloved Let's Talk. It is a pleasure to have you here with me today. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be informed of all of my up and coming videos. And if you've already been here, thank you so much for joining us. We're going to start out with a cup of tea just to set the mood right. Here are our products that we're going to use today. The products are sponsored by Key Couture Accessories. This is the Goddess Glow Kit. We have in the bag the full body exfoliation system. It's all natural, made with no dyes, no parabens, sensitive, and hyperallergenic. Full KCA self-care bundle available at www.keycouture.website. Self-care bundle includes the original or extra sensitive Goddess Glow Oil exfoliating system with Goddess Rose Oil and the 24 karat oil, and a bonus, the coconut hydrating lip balm at limited edition. First, we're going to do our foot detox. This is a safe and relaxing method to pull the toxins out of your body through your feet. The warm water opens the pores, relax, recharge, and rejuvenate, improves mood and reduces stress, boosts immunity to illness, promotes healthy circulation, balance body's pH balance. This 30 minutes is well deserved and benefits in all these ways. I prefer to use this basin that I brought from the Dollar Tree so that I can dispose of it, as well as these tea bags. You can use the green tea or the all-natural tea bags from the Dollar Tree, whichever one is your preference. I prefer to use 50 of the bags. You can take the tags off or you can leave them on. We're going to put those into hot boiling water in the pan and allow it to soak in steam for about 15 minutes. Please use caution with the water. It is extremely hot. We are not going to soak our feet yet. We're just going to let it steam the tea bags. I purchased this wooden spoon just for this so that I can stir the tea bags a little bit more, and also use the spoon when I discard the bags into a plastic bag, just like this. body exfoliating system. Before you use the exfoliator, you want to make sure that you're fully wet. I like to use an exfoliating glove to distribute it all over, and I like to use a separate glove for my feet. Now, after we've rinsed off the exfoliator and we're fully dry, we're going to go in with the 24 karat Goddess body oil. This 24 karat body oil gives you an undeniable shimmering glow instantly. I only put this on once a month when I do the exfoliating system after I've exfoliated. I hope you enjoyed the exfoliating video today. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Also keep in mind that the exfoliating gloves are not included in the bundle, but they can be purchased at a local beauty supply or also at the Dollar Tree. Please do keep in mind and include the gua sha and jade roller tutorial in our video previously, the Goddess Within. After all of that, I think we deserve a well-cooked meal. Today's meal is a steak, potato, and fresh green beans. Enjoy. Note to self: the most beautiful thing you could ever learn is how to love yourself. The greatest gift you can give yourself is a little bit of your own time. Taking time for yourself is not selfish, it's essential. Your mind, body, and spirit will thank you for the little love and attention you give to them. Self-love is the ultimate form of self-care, and you are worth it every day. May God continue to bless you and your family, and please do subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you stay for a while and enjoy us over here. This community is so full of love, life, and peace. And if you've already been with me, thank you so much for continuing on to be with me, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye. Next time on Beloved Let's Talk, they're gonna get the best of me. They're gonna win every time.